Hi there. So here is the sum and difference identities. It says analyze the following work. Determine if the problem is worked correctly or incorrectly and justify your reasoning. So sine of 195. So 135 plus 60 does equals 195. So we're good there. It's sine, cosine, cosine, sine. That's correct. But remember, this is A and this is considered B. So it should be A, B, A, B. So we are definitely incorrect. So let's write it. Let's see the angles. Should have alternate from 135 to 60, not 135, 135. Okay. Now, if it's incorrect, redo the problem. So this is where it went wrong. So it'll be sine of 135, cosine of 60, cosine of 135, and sine of 60. Okay, so here we go. Sine of 135, looking at my unit circle, is square root 2 over 2. Cosine of 60 is 1/2. Cosine of 135, negative square root 2 over 2. And sine of 60 is square root 3 over 2. Okay, so now we multiply, so we get square root of 2 over 4 plus a negative square root of 6 over 4. We can't really combine, so the best we can do is square root of 2. This right here gives us a negative square root of 6 over 4. Okay, so that was kind of fun. So number 3, they're giving us problems, quadrant 1. I like quadrant 1 problems. Label this A, O, and H. So here they gave us sine. Technically, they gave us cosecant, but if we flip it, we do get our sine, which is 24 over 25. Remember, SOHCAHTOA. That's a 5, so this should be 25 and 24. Okay. Now, I believe the answer is 7. Thinking of my triples, and yes. So then cosine of A is 7 over 25. We're going to repeat this over here for the other triangle. So A, O, H, did say quadrant 2. Remember to place the numbers. So O and A. So 8 and 15. Now, what's negative in quadrant 2 is that X value. And then Pythagorean triples tell me that this is 17. So sine of B, we're going to call this B, is 8 over 17. And cosine of B is negative 15 over 17. Okay, good times. Here is the question. So sine of A minus B. So this is sine, cosine, cosine, sine. Remember, it's a sine formula, so we don't change. So sine is 24 over 25. Cosine B is negative 15 over 17. Cosine A is 7 over 25. And sine B is 8 over 17. So, clear. 24 times a negative 15 is a negative 360. 25 times 17 is 425. It's 56 and 425. So remember, those numbers should match. Plus 56. And I got negative 416 over 425. FYI, your top number should never be bigger than your bottom number. I hope this helps. Good luck on your final.